much requested video. I'll be showing you exactly how I safely remove my box braids, and they are 3 months old. If you want to call them plaits or braids, whatever you call them, wherever you are in the world. Mine are 3 months old, and I'm going to show you how to safely remove them to retain length. I've achieved 1.5 inches worth of growth throughout the 3 months that I've been wearing this protective style. I only redid my edges once, which was 3 weeks ago. So this what you're seeing is me applying my aloe vera oil that I made, and also a whipped shea butter recipe just to moisturize my hair, because it'll make my hair much softer and easier to take down, and it helps to prevent breakage during the takedown process. And if you're wondering how she's moisturizing her hair before taking it down, this is my natural hair, and even if you have extensions in your hair, it's advised that you use oil to start to loosen the build-up that you may have on your hair, to moisturize your hair as well, and that is just going to make it so easy to take down. So now that that's done, let's get your war face on. So I'm catching my hair up to make the process much easier. Here's what you need to safely remove your braids: a scissors for knots, a hairpin, or a rat tail comb, which is optional of course. And then I'm going to show you what my 3 months worth of growth look like. That's 1.5 inches. I redid my edges. Let's jump into this. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist specializing in natural hair care, natural hairstyles, and so much more. And on this channel, I post videos on how to care for your natural hair treatments, natural hairstyles, etc., etc. So you want to go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll get updates when I post videos on a weekly basis. Sometimes I post 2 to 3 times per week, y'all, and you don't want to miss the information that I have to help you on your hair growth journey. With all of that said, let me explain what I'm doing. So I'm just using an ear pin to pick my hair where the braids are. I'm just picking them out, and then I'm using my finger to ease them out. This way you'll be preventing a lot of knots, and knots will in turn lead to breakage. So you want to prevent, you cannot avoid knots, let me say that by the way, but you can help to minimize the amount of knots that you get. So just use something, you can use a needle I guess, or a rat tail comb, but try not to comb the hair while you're picking it out. So you pick the hair out, and then you use your finger to pull it through, and that way you'll avoid knots, especially if you're removing braids from your natural hair without extensions like myself right here. So here's a tip for you: never try to undo your braids in one go. Right here you see me taking down my braids. I just got home from work. I'm extremely tired, but hey, it's after 3 months. The 3 months hair growth challenge is over, and I need to take these braids out. I need to give my hair a proper wash, proper deep conditioner, trim my hair, and braid it up back. So I'm taking my time to braid it down. So as soon as I'm where the demarcation line between the new growth and where the braid starts, I'm just using my fingers to pull my hair apart to the side. That way you'll be preventing breakage, and you're just helping to remove the lint and removing all the shedded hair. Notice I'm not going in on my hair with a comb or anything, just using my fingers, because your fingers can feel the knots, it can feel the build up. And guess what, if your hair feels a little bit dry, don't afraid to go in there with some oils. Some persons use conditioner whenever they're taking down their braids. That's okay, but because I'm not going to be washing my hair, I'm not going to be through with taking down my braid all at once, I prefer to use oils, water, and my shea butter recipe. So one is done. I got a knot right here. That's what scissors are for. Yeah, that's the knot. So sometimes you'll have knots and they'll be difficult to remove. Just use a scissors to cut just below where the knots are, and keep going at it. Finished taking down my braids. I kid you not, this is how I went to work. Matter of fact, I am at work, as you can see. So I'm just gonna do a quick length check. This is an old shirt that I had. I use a marker to mark the lines on it so you can see, and we can keep contact with how much growth I've had. This is how shrinkage look on my 4C here, guys. Shrinkage is real. My hair shrinks a whole lot. And the next video that you'll be seeing me doing, I'll be doing a big chop. Yep, I plan to cut a lot of this hair off. So this is where it is in the back, and I'm going to explain in my next video why I plan to do a big chop. This is the length of the side, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the front as well. The front is the shortest part, reason being I always cut the front of my hair a little bit lower than everywhere else. So this is where it is at the front. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't